Alright guys, let's see what happens to this thing. I think it finally connected up. And if it works, then great. And if not, then we'll figure out something else. But we've got that wing all set up. And so let's see if it even lifts off the ground. Ooh! That's good. That's a good start. That's a really good start right there. Let me just put it up higher. And then we'll see what happens now. Let me change the camera angle and all that good stuff. Sitting back here pretty. Okay, let's see what happens to this thing. Alright. Put too many obstacles in its way, huh? Too many obstacles in its way. Let's try this one more time in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Likey.